Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the PyGame library or the module from your system. So in order to uninstall the PyGame module, we need to open the VS Code and head on to the terminal. Then inside the terminal screen, simply type in the following command, which is pip uninstall PyGame. This will uninstall the PyGame module from your system. Once you have typed in, hit the enter button and wait for the process to start. Now it is asking us for a confirmation. In order to proceed with the uninstallation, you need to type in Y and then hit the enter button again. Once you have done that, here you can see the message which says successfully uninstalled PyGame version 2.6.1. So that means that PyGame has been successfully uninstalled from our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.